So hello and welcome back to another video. So after a long time, every time it is after a long time. So in this video, we are learning ManyChat, the DM automation. The thing that you must have heard all over Instagram. Comment the word this, comment the word that, and you'll get the thing that you want. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up your first automation, how to promote your first product, how to promote your second product, how to promote your YouTube video, and how to collect emails for your email list. So for whom this tool can be a game changer. First of all the business owners out there who are creating content specifically on Instagram and they want to promote products through their videos, and solo creators like me who are also into business kind of stuff and they want to promote their videos, newsletters, or even the YouTube videos. Or basically if you want to make a funnel of your Instagram and direct people from your Instagram to anywhere else. That's the reason this tool is most important for people like us. And the second thing is that many people still think that why can't you just promote your thing on your bio? So there are many reasons for that. First of all, it reduces the clicks. So the conversion rates are really low on link in bio thing, because if I see myself and I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see something that I'm interested in and the guy says that go to the link in my bio, I would not really be interested in that, because I have to first click on his profile and then go to his bio, click on the link, and then maybe it will take me to the landing page and then I have to decide and all that stuff. But instead, if that guy says that comment on this post, I can simply comment and then the link will be sent into my DMs. Even though if I forget about the thing, I can always come back to my DMs and I can always click on the link and it will be saved in my DMs forever, and I can, just visit the landing page anytime I want and as many times as I want. It is a great tool. People are literally printing money out of that thing. So let's just get started. That was the intro. And yeah, you won't see the face cam because my phone storage is kind of full. So let's just hop onto ManyChat. So we are finally at ManyChat. As you can see, this is the home page of ManyChat. This might be different for you because I have already, subscribed to this. And so the first things first you need to do is create an account on ManyChat and then link your Instagram account. So for example, this is my Facebook account linked to ManyChat. And yes, your Instagram should be linked with a Facebook account because ManyChat uses the Facebook account and then it automates through that. So if you have one Facebook account that is connected to many Instagram accounts, it will work. But if you have an Instagram account that doesn't have any Facebook accounts, it will not work because ManyChat only works with the Facebook account. So linking your account is pretty simple. You just have to follow the instructions by ManyChat and you'll set up your account in within 5 minutes. So after you have set up your account, you have to come to automations, and this is where all the things happen inside of all the automations that we are going to set. This is where the automations are set. So I have some of the automations here and some of them are here in this the 3 folders. So I'm pretty just kind of a messy guy because I don't organize my things. So that is why this thing is still kind of untitled and all. This is some of the folders that I've created, and some of the automations are already working and some of them are turned off. So first things first, we are going to create 3 automations today. The first one will be the simplest, just for promoting anything, your YouTube video product or anything, the direct link. The second one will be for collecting the user data, the emails, the first name and all that for the first time. And the third one will be collecting your user data after that. It will be a little advanced, but you just have to bear with me and I'll try to explain it to you as easy as possible. So go to new automation and then click on start from scratch. So once you're here, you'll see this 2 things. So this is the trigger thing. So in this button, you have to tell ManyChat what to do about your comments and reply. So we'll click on new trigger, and as you can see, user comments on your post or reel, user replies to your story, user sends a message, the most common is, we all know, user comments on your post. So we'll click that and then it will show all the posts that you have For example, these are all the posts that I had, the recent posts. So you have three options here. The first one is to run this automation on specific reels. For example, if you want to do a thing like I only want to promote this thing in only one reel, then you can just click the reel here, and also you can view it on Instagram if you want, but I'll not view it. Or you can set it to all posts, so it will, the automation will work on all the posts. Or you can also set it up for the next reel, so the future reel that you haven't uploaded yet will also work. So let's just click on all posts or reels and then hit continue, and then it will ask for the keywords. Yes, the thing that every content creator says, comment the word. So you have to decide the word here. So let's just make an automation for ManyChat. So one more thing that you have to keep in mind, that people also, sometimes make typos. So they make mistakes sometimes. Spelling error is pretty common. So you also have to keep this in mind. So we'll just go to ManyChat. Yes, ManyChat. So you just have to do that, and you don't have to just kind of make a roll out of that, but this is like pretty simple stuff. So comment, exclude these words. If you want some words to be excluded, you can do that, but I'm not going to do. I don't think anybody does that. So the next option is any comment. These are two of the options. Never do this. All right, never do any comments, reply, or automation on that. People will make a meme out of the comment section will literally turn into a meme. I don't know if you have seen it or not, but I have seen a reel where the user just set the automation to any reel and people were literally roasting him in the comments. So just don't do this. So let's continue. And then, so these are the automatic replies that ManyChat sends. So if the user comments this word, if the user comments ManyChat, the reply will be out of this. It's like pretty random. So secrets out, check DMs. I don't think these are kind of correct replies. ManyChat is kind of turning into Gen Z. So I'll just so you can just simply customize it also. So I'll just simply, you can always customize it later. So you can also add emojis, but I won't add. So just save that. So this trigger is already set. Now we have to customize the next thing that happens with this. So I'll just delete it first. So as you can see, there are various options here. So what you want to do is go to Instagram, and then this turns out to be a message. So this will be the message that will be delivered into the DMs. So the first automation, you can just simply type your custom text that you want to send. So hello, so that you are interested in learning more about ManyChat, and you can just simply drop the link here. Here is your link. Click enter, and you just paste the link here. So you can just simply come to your YouTube studio and grab the link and just paste it here, and done. Your ManyChat automation is done. Now you can always preview the automation by here, preview, and this is the DM that will be sent after the user comments ManyChat. So hello, saw that you're in ManyChat, here's your link. So this is the simplest automation that you can build. So after that, you can set it live here. Always don't be like me, label your automation. I think this automation can also be done in the free version. I don't know much about that, but this is the first automation. So let's continue to the second automation. Let me show you so I had one automation which was designed to just collect the emails. So I think, yeah, this is the most like viral automation. This has like 4,312 times. So this is the automation that looks like. Don't be scared because it's pretty simple. It's based on the node system. So let's just create this. So for collecting email, you just don't give away the source like that. So in the second automation for collecting emails, it can be used for any free stuff, your YouTube videos, or any freebie that you want to promote. So let's build the automation specifically for collecting the emails and the data of the user. That sounds illegal. So let's build the automation specifically for collecting the emails. So it's pretty simple as the first one. you just have to, do the trigger thing, and then for the first message, your message will be different from before. So in this message, I'll delete one here, hello. So just like that. Hello, saw that you're interested in learning more about ManyChat. Just confirming will be. So next thing what you can do is add a button or add a quick reply. The button thing has some, had some glitches in the past, so I don't really use that. Instead, we will use a quick reply. So in the quick reply, we'll just type yes, and then we'll send another Instagram message. So this will be the Instagram message. So this will be a kind of button. Let me show you. So after commenting, the user will get this. Always, so this is really useful, the preview button. You always come here and see how your automation is going. So after the user comments that thing, so that you're interested in learning more about ManyChat, just confirming. Then the user will click yes, and your message will pop here. Yes, and then the second message pops. So now we'll collect their first name. Awesome. What's your first name? You can always, write it properly or write it in a pleasing manner. I'm just typing quickly, so that is why it is not sounding good. But the message should be about asking their first names, and then you'll go here and then click on data collection, collect emails, phones, and more. And then you'll type here first name question mark, and then you have to go contacts reply and change it from text to first name, and it will look like this. Yes, first name. So after you have collected their first name, we are going to set the second step, and the second step will be collecting their email. So we'll again set the Instagram automation, and we'll say thanks, and now that we have their first name, you are going to click here and you'll see this option, the first name, and it will show their first name here, the thing that they have put here. So nice to, I can send you course on your email. I can send you the course. The access would be better. So this is the second message. So again, we'll do the same thing with the email. We go to data collection. And we'll change the context reply from text to email, and it will show you some options. And then so we'll again preview the automation. Yes, we see, and I can send you the email access. And what is the email? You can say like here, and this is what the automation is so far looking like. This will be not like this, obviously. In Instagram it's different. It is showing different here because this is just a preview. So now that you have got their first name and their email, what you can do is just before sending the course or the final thing, you can tag these users. So you can tag them as, let me show you again. So you can I forgot to show you. So after you have got their first name and email, you'll click on this next step and leave it here, and then it will show you the options. So the next thing is to click on this action to tag them. Click on this and you'll see this action, and you can now add a tag to the user. So obviously they have given you their first name, their email for the course or the thing that you are promoting. So you can always tag them to separate these users from the rest of it. So add a tag, and you can name the tag interested leads. I already have one, so I'll just click here, and now you can just give them their stuff. So again, click here, and remember this is the message that they'll get after sending you the email. So type according to that. Awesome. Now you can give them the course or the thing that they were interested in. Now you can leave the automation here. This is done, but to increase the conversion rates more, you'll also have to do this. So as you can see, there are three options here. First is action on reply. We don't need that. The second is if contact has not responded. So in many cases, what happens is that when the user clicks on the yes button, and they will be shown this message and asked for their first name, many users don't respond to that. So they'll exit the Instagram, or they'll just leave it for some other time. So what you can do is create a message for this also. So click Instagram, and just this is just like a reminder message. So this will be sent if the user doesn't reply to your message for like 5 minutes, or they close the Instagram. So this will be just a reminder message that will be sent after that. So hello, just can be like this, and you can again add a quick reply to this. For example, yes. So when they say yes, they will again go to this message, the first message that we sent. Awesome, just wanted to know what's your first name. So this message will again pop up, and it will again ask for their first name. And you have to do the same thing with this. So if the contact doesn't reply, Instagram, I'll just copy paste this and add a quick reply. Yes. You can, and by the way, you can also add the no option, and then you can also send the message for the no, but I don't really like to do that because it's just a waste of time. If people are not interested, they will not reply. So what is the point of sending message for the no's? So as you can see, now the automation is set. Now let me explain to you in a very simple way, so that you can also create your own custom automations and make your Instagram work. So the Instagram, it starts by this: user comments on all posts or reels, ManyChat, ManyChat, and then the reply is that send you email, check your email, check your DMs, and check out your DMs. You can always customize that. And then the message will be here: hello, saw your interest, just confirming. And then the button, and then the button just sends the another message: awesome, what's your name? And the first message and the second message is for collecting their first name. The third message is for collecting their email, and then you finally tag them as interested leads, and you finally give them the thing that they want, or your lead magnet, or whatever you want them. But if the person doesn't give you their first name, or they doesn't respond to this message, you just give them a reminder message, and if they respond, if they'll again get this message, and they will be back onto your funnel. But if they don't respond, what can you do? So the same thing for this email message, and that is how you can make the second automation. So this automation is obviously for collecting the user data for the first time. And now we'll see how you can set the automation for the second time. So the problem after this is that now that you have gotten like some of the first names and emails of your followers, or some people that are interested in your leads, now you have their emails. So now that you promote any other product, the next time you don't want to just ask them again for their first name and email. So if you're creating an automation after this, it will be like this. So obviously we need to bypass these two messages if the user already has given their first name and their emails. So we'll go here, the first message, and we are going to add a condition to this. So the condition will be, the first condition can be check that if the user has specific tag. So if the user has this, so we can use this tag, the interested lead, or we can just use this first name thing. So, and we are going to change this, the first name is unknown, to first name has any value. Now what this condition does is that when the user gets this message and taps on yes, the system will check if the user has given their first name already. So that is why it is written like first name has any value. So if that user has given the first name, it will pass this condition. But if the user has not given their first name, the contact doesn't match any of this condition, you can just connect this to this. So if that user has not given their first name, obviously we'll ask for their first name. But if the user has given their first name, we are going to create another condition, and that will be for the emails. So recommended is already there. So email, and we'll again change it from unknown to has any value. So now as you can see, if the user has given their first name, well and good. We'll check if the user has also given their email. If the user has given their email, we'll just bypass all of these things, and we can either attach this to interested leads or directly to the thing that we have. So but as before, if the user has not given their email, this will go into this. Now I know this is looking like some kind of spider web, but let me explain this one more time. The user gets the message after the comment. If the user says yes, the system will check if the user has given their first name. If the user has given their first name, it will pass the condition and it will send it to second condition. The second condition is that if the user has given any email, if both conditions are passed, they will receive the last message directly without all of this thing. But if the user has not given the first name, they'll just go through this, where we will ask for the first name and then for the email, and then it will go like this, and then they'll receive the last message. And then if the user has given their first name but not the email, it will again go to the email message, and then it will go from here to here. So yeah, that is how this automation will work. This was the third automation that we built. So this automation is really helpful for making your email list and also making sure that you are not frustrating people that have already given you their first name and email. So at last, I also wanted to show you some more thing that ManyChat has recently added. So if you wanna build your email list with ManyChat, it is obviously more kind of complicated. I won't be able to show you the full process in this video, but if you want me to just make a second part of ManyChat, creating all the AI chatbot and all that things, creating your email list with this, you can comment it down. Or if you want me personally to build your systems, your ManyChat automation, you can connect with me. My email is in the description. You can email me there and we can connect. So I just quickly wanted to show you how you can build an email list with this automation. You can go here, the contact, click here and drop it here. Then we'll go to actions and click on plus, and these actions are inside of ManyChat. So we don't want any of this. We'll click on unlock more actions. We'll go to there, and as you can see, there are many things. First thing is the ChatGPT and Klaviyo, all the newsletter things, and ActiveCampaign, MailChimp for creating your newsletter, and finally we have ConvertKit. So before this, there was no option to add the users directly to your email list from ManyChat, but now they have updated the system, and now we can directly add the user to ManyChat by this option. And before this, we have to use the Zapier. Now you don't have to use the Zapier anymore. So yes, this is the latest update of the ManyChat. If you have a newsletter or you're thinking to build a newsletter, this is like a very, I would say, better way to build your email newsletter or your email list. So by the way, the link of this automation will be also in the description. So if you just directly wanna copy and paste this into your Instagram or ManyChat automation, you can definitely do that. So that is it for this video. And again, let me know if you could understand anything from this video, or you can learn, or let me know if you learned anything from this video. I hope you learned something from this video. I know this is like kind of different from video editing and motion graphics, but this is also a part of the process. So I'll see you in the next video. Comment down your views, your problems, and the things that you want to see. I'm going to be consistent this time. This is time to lock in. So yeah, see you again really soon.